Yo guys, welcome back to this new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover, and today we will be discussing the Matic price action because it's pretty high requested here on the channel. Besides that, guys, we are also going to go into a very interesting Polygon gem here, Polycat finance, and of course we will be also discussing the initial farm offerings they are currently doing, and that is also one of the reasons why I do feel extremely excited about it. I will be going more in depth of it further into the video. So guys, let's start the video off here with the Matic price action. So before we're going to go further towards the video, make sure to right away smash up the likes, guys, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because of course, guys, it will be amazing if you're going to join the channel. So what are we currently seeing with Matic? So guys, I've been talking several times about Matic. Of course, we have been making a very good call here once we were sitting on the 19 cents here. Probably you guys still remember this one because this call was, of course, a perfect call here. And since making this call, we were seeing over a 140% increasements towards the $2.40 here. So guys, right now we're seeing new opportunities laying around the corner here. Previously, we were saying, of course, around to $1.80. I would rather accumulate some different projects, but right now we are maybe heading toward extreme important levels of accumulation once again here. So we can be looking for extreme big amounts of volatility here in the price action of Matic. And as you can see right now here, if we're talking about the volume, you can see the volume has been decreasing very significantly. And as well, with this important upward sloping support line, guys, this looks quite exciting here because you can see already 3 touch points on the support line, and we're currently trading on this critical level of support as well here. Hopefully, we can be holding on to this level here. And of course, if we're going to see a breakout, guys, I would like to see an increasement in volume. So, yeah, guys, we're currently trading on key levels of support, and hopefully we can be holding on to this level. In general, I would be saying, guys, this can be, of course, a quite exciting move here that we can be creating here. Guys, we can be, of course, if we're looking for a breakdown, potentially go literally towards lower targets around the 30 cents here. I don't think that we're going to reach I don't think that we're going to reach the exact price target. But guys, because of course the volatility is extremely high recently, we can be really looking for extreme amounts of volatility. And as this trend as well, as this pattern of the symmetrical triangle was getting started from a move towards the upside, guys, we can be as well potentially look for a breakout towards the upside. And I mean, don't be shocked here because this breakout towards the upside can be potentially push up the price with another 85% here. It will be an extreme breakout here, guys. So that is, of course, the reason why I'm making this video for you guys. I see an extreme good opportunity in the market, and I just want to be sharing this with you guys. So, of course, a quick update about it. And I mean, guys, we should be really looking at the chart if we're going to see a bounce from here on. Of course, if we're going to see the daily candle close below it, this will be quite bearish. And hopefully we can be closing the daily candle still above this line here. So we can be potentially maybe look for a move towards the upside. Because yes, guys, if we're going to see a breakout here, I should definitely accumulate some Matic on the retest here. But this is, of course, a thing that we have to be discussing along the way further. Let's see which direction it will be breaking out towards. But guys, definitely volatility will be also returning in towards the Matic charts here, and this will be, of course, as well giving us huge opportunities to make very good gains here. But guys, then I want to be talking a little bit about the significant gem here. Polycat finance here looks to be an extreme good gem here. What it has been, I've been already mentioning this one previously in the live stream, guys. It's a very exciting yield farmer coin, and of course it's very important to read what it is doing. So we should also will be putting some links in the description where you can be finding out about this coin here. So I always suggest do your own research, but once again, I probably always say this because once I'm mentioning these coins, guys, I'm purely saying this out of my heart, and this is also one of these coins that I'm not mentioning for no reason here. I should highly suggest doing your own research, and you will be probably feeling as excited as me. So as well, guys, this coin is built on the Polygon blockchain here. What is, of course, very exciting because, yeah, you guys really like it as well. And the fees are, of course, extremely low because of that. So that is beautiful to see here. But, guys, also a reason why I have been talking about this here. I mean, I've been already talking about this specific project earlier as well already on the channel. But guys, they are right now doing something very interesting here because they are going to offer us initial farming offers. So this is very exciting because you can be taking a part of a new project that is getting launched here with your fish. So Augury Finance is going to get launched here anytime soon here on the 9th of June here. So tomorrow it will be getting launched, guys. And that's, of course, extremely exciting. And you can see over here how you can be taking part of this sale here. So, of course, I will be putting this link in the description here because it's pretty exciting. So you can be joining these projects with your fish. And you can see over here how you can do it here. You have to be buying your fish and the USDC to buy the initial farming offers tokens, and after that the USDC will be used to buy the token. And guys, while you are buying your coins with the USDC, the fish will be getting burned, as you can see over here. And that is, of course, once again, make me feel very exciting. You can be buying into these coins through fish. And while you're doing so, the fish will be getting burned. So there will be less and less supply going in circulation, what will be creating as well more scarcity for fish. And I like to see once projects are burning certain amounts of coins, because guys, that will be only creating more scarcity in the market, and that is of course very good for the potential future rewards that we're going to make here. And by the way, guys, after the sale, guys, you only have to be claiming your purchase, and that's it, and you've done it. So it's not very hard to buy coins through fish here, through Polycat here. So that's of course extremely exciting as well, guys. If you go to the homepage, on the left side, you can see what you can all do with this coin, of course. You can be, of course, a yield farm with this. Besides that, you can be staking your coins as well with your fish as well. You can be linking your MetaMask over here. And, of course, you can see exactly how much locked in value there is over here. And as well, the fish in your wallet. As well on the homepage, you can see some information about the APR here in farms currently, and as well the current stats about fish here. You can see the market capitalization, the total minted, total burnt as well, guys, the circulating supply here, maximum supply, and of course I do think it has extreme high potential. And you can see the only maximum supply is 3 million. That's not a lot here. And of course currently prices are trading around to $23 US, and we are still trading at extreme low stages, guys. Market capitalization of 34 million, especially because we're right now seeing just this drop off here in the market here. I think, yeah, I really want to be buying into these cheap coins here, what can potentially give me extreme high returns here. So it looks very exciting. And as well, guys, you can see the news over here for Polycat Finance. And as well, guys, you can see the total locked value. And currently my head is in front of it, but you can see over here, $221 million US in total locked value. That is quite a lot, guys. So that is of course very exciting. But also with the Agori Finance that's getting launched here, you can read exactly what the project is doing over here. And you can see over here, the sale time will be on the 9th of June here. So if you're willing to join the sale here, you can definitely find it, of course, on the side of Fish. I will be definitely putting the link in the description, guys. And of course, you can see the exact amount that is currently getting raised here, as well with the tokens to be sold here, and of course the price per token. So yeah, absolutely exciting, of course, to see here. You can see as well some more things about what the project is exactly, Agori Finance. But this is, of course, providing us extreme good opportunities here in the market. And I definitely think it will be, of course, a thing that we have to be benefiting from. So, guys, this was already it for the video of today here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you're going to do some research towards this project as well here. Because, yeah, it is really a potential project that has a lot of future here. And as well, if you're here to make gains here, I do think that Polycat Finance can also offer us extreme high returns here with only a market capitalization of 32 million right now, guys. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about this project. Make sure to as well do your own research, guys. And guys, hopefully I can check you guys tomorrow once again back in with a new video here and a new live stream on the channel. So guys, make sure to chill out right now and peace out. Goodbye.